Alright, we got a nice looking 3T D7. This one is awfully similar to Gordy's West Coast saw. We did that video getting it running. It's got the front mounted cable control unit, live power. This one's got a nice angle blade. I was just looking at this thing. Unfortunately, looks like it's missing the little adapter that moves this up underneath the bottom of the hood there, and it's got water in the pony engine. And I was just looking at this exhaust as well, and I'm pretty sure it's getting water in the engine as well. So I would think that both the engine and the pony are stuck on this. I know the pony's stuck, unfortunately. Got pretty decent undercarriage. It's not too bad for its age. Kind of sad if it is stuck. Big winch. Let's have the side tins here. This side at least. Those are pretty nice. Ooh, got some injection pump troubles there. That's not good. A little bit of a seat left. Springs are there. We'll have to talk to the owner and maybe come play with it and see what we can get to work and what doesn't. That's it. Thanks for watching.